Hello dear students, today I will discuss about transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix, that is an operation on the matrix transpose. Okay, so very simple process is this. Suppose this is m by n matrix in general notation. Okay, ith row, jth column, that is m row and n column are in this matrix. Okay, A, m by n matrix. Then transpose. Transpose the matrix which can be obtained by interchanging row and column. This is for row, this is for column. Just interchanging row to column, column to row. Then we can get transpose. A transpose is denoted by A T transpose or A dash. So this is equals to what? This is matrix. If this, then this is transpose of this matrix. Just interchange row and column. Okay, so we can get like this Ji. This is Ij, Ji, and order is also this m by n, this is n by n. For example, suppose we have a matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 3 by 2 matrix. So just this row transfer to column, means row 2 elements having transfer to column 2, 3. Similarly, row 4, 5, 6, 7, row 6, 7. This row changing to column, row changing to column, row changing to column. So this is 2 by 3. This is the transpose. If A is this, then this. Okay, this for particular example. So in general, we can write like this: transpose of a matrix. This is what? Transpose of a matrix. Okay. So transpose means interchanging row and column. So there are some properties of transpose of a matrix, that is, for a matrix may be of any order. Yeah, it is not required for a square matrix, because for any matrix A and B, some properties are there, properties of transpose. Properties of transpose of a matrix. First, just we can write for any matrix A. For any matrix A and B, we get just like this. First, A dash of dash equals to A. Transpose of a matrix is itself matrix. Okay, and then second, Secondly, we can see that suppose this is a constant and multiplied by A, then its transpose is equals to K transpose, where K is constant, where K is any constant, where K is any constant. Very simple. This property is also third number. Third number is what? If A plus B dash, then A dash B dash. Means sum of transpose of sum of two matrix is addition of transpose of them separately. Okay. Similarly, plus minus both, and finally third party fourth is for multiplication. AB dash equals to first B dash then A dash for multiplication of matrix. Okay, if multiplication is defined here. These are the properties for transpose. It can be proved by taking any matrix, just like suppose first, then let A equals to any matrix. Okay, so suppose 2, 3, B, C, any matrix, then A dash equals to what? Just transpose of 2, 3, B, C dash. Transpose, that means row to column, column to row. So this is equals to what? 2, 3 will be column and BC will be column. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, also this is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, these two are not equal. Here A dash is this. Now again taking transpose of A dash, we get again transpose. This is A dash equal to this transpose, again transpose of A dash of A dash. Just take transform of this, that means transform of this 2B 3C dash equals to, just transfer row to column, column to row. So row to column means 2B 3C, 2 3BC, this 2 3BC, same as A. So this is equals to A. So A double dash is equals to A dash of dash is equals to A. Hence proved. Okay. So similarly, we can prove everyone. Just like this. K. Suppose K is a constant, then K is multiplied to each element and then take transpose and then transfer to row to column and you can get a matrix. Okay, and then just taken outside the constant, you can get constant into A dash. Just you can see A dash. Okay, it can be also proved. It can be also proved taking two matrix A and B. AB dash, just take any two matrix which should be, the product should be defined, and then we can show that AB dash equals to B dash A dash. Okay, just we will solve some questions from exercise here. So these are the properties of transpose. All are here, also maybe minus sign in place of plus. Okay, so all the property can be proved by taking any matrix of any order. Just should be defined, addition defined, product defined, and take any type of matrix. Okay. Now, here two special type of matrix are known as symmetric matrix and skew-symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means all the elements of the matrix either side of diagonals of a square matrix, because symmetric matrix and for defining symmetric matrix and square symmetric matrix, the matrix should be a square matrix. Okay, so symmetric and square symmetric matrix, the definition for a just symmetric matrix and square symmetric matrix can be defined for square matrix. Just we have to take what? Square matrix. Okay, so very important part is what? Symmetric matrix and square symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is symmetric and skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. What is the definition? A square matrix. Just we have to take a square matrix. Square matrix Aij. Square matrix. This is a square matrix. N by n order. A square matrix then means order maybe n by n. Square matrix this is called symmetric. If Aij equals to Aji for all Ij and called skew symmetric. If Aij equals to minus Aji. Aij equals to just you can write like this. Ji equals to Ij for all Ij. Okay, this Ij equals to Ji means elements of either side, elements of different side elements of diagonal are same. Okay, that means what? Just like suppose this is a square matrix, so this is diagonal and positioned element same, this and this 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 same, the same element. Okay, that means what? If A1 1, A1 2, A1 3, A2 1, A2 2, A2 3, A3 1, A3 2, A3 3. This square matrix. So this is diagonal lines. So 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. So 1 3 3 1, 1 3 3 1, 2 3 3 2. So same position. This elements are same. And in this symmetric matrix with a negative sign, just like this. Suppose elements are like this. This is diagonal. Then here 2, minus 2, then here 2. Here 3, then here minus 3. Here 4, then here minus 4. One, two, three, 1 2 3. So this 2 3 and 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2, then minus 2, minus 4, then 4, 3, then minus 3. So this is escosymmetric matrix. Here, this is diagonal. 2, this is minus 2. Just ij, ji and ij having different sign but equal. Having different sign but equal. So 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, minus 4, 4 with different sign. And we write just diagonal elements are all 0 because in this case, for the diagonal elements 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, same value for I and j for diagonal elements. For diagonal elements, I equals to j. That is what? Aji equals to minus aij means what? Aii equals to minus aii. That is what? Aii to aii equals to 0. That is aii equals to 0 for all I. Means A1, 1, 0, A2, 2, 0, A3, all the diagonal elements are 0 of escosymmetric matrix. Because escosymmetric matrix, that means this. Here I and j are equal. So aii equals to minus aii, that's aii equals to 0. 2ai equals to 0, means aii equals to 0. All diagonal elements are 0. So this is the definition of escosymmetric matrix. This is the definition of symmetric matrix. Both side elements are same but with opposite sign. Here same with same sign. So this is the definition of symmetric matrix and escosymmetric matrix. So proof is very simple. It means what? If this, that is A dash equals to A. Here this means what? A dash equals to minus A. So this is the definition. A dash equals to minus A, escosymmetric matrix. A dash equals to A. Because Aij equals to Aji, that means A dash equals to A. A dash equals to A. We can take transpose and we can see that both elements are same. That's why we can get same matrix. So A dash equals to A. We can prove it by taking example for any matrix. Here, because a square matrix for symmetric and for escosymmetric, a square matrix will be. So here A dash equals to A means symmetric. Escosymmetric means A dash equals to minus of A. You can take outside the minus sign. So A dash equals to minus. Okay. Now there is an important property, that is, and also you can say theorem related to symmetric and escosymmetric matrix. That is, any square matrix can be written as a sum of a symmetric and escosymmetric matrix. Any square matrix, okay, with real entries. Okay, what is the property? Any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and escosymmetric matrix. It's very important property. Okay. You can take any matrix, a square matrix, and then that matrix can be expressed as a sum of a square matrix, sum of a symmetric and a square-symmetric and a square-symmetric matrix. Okay. To prove it, we can write as proof is very simple. Just let A be any square matrix, any. Then we can write P equals to A plus A dash and Q equals to A minus A dash such that P plus Q such that A equals to P plus Q. A be any square matrix, then we can find A dash, just sum of 2 and divide by 2. This is again a matrix of same order. So P let and this let Q. And then here we can see that this plus this is equals to what? A. We can write this plus this. What? Half A plus half A. A. Plus half dash A minus half dash A. Cancel out. So A. Such that this. If we can prove that here, if we can prove that P dash equals to P and Q dash equals to Q, then result will be proved, because matrix is written as a sum of P and Q. If P is symmetric, Q and Q is square symmetric, so then minus Q. P dash equals to P means what? Symmetric. Q dash equal to Q minus Q means anti-symmetric. So result will be proved. This is symmetric, this is and square symmetric. So sum of symmetric and square symmetric is equals to A. So result is proved. Now we see that P dash equals to P equals to this. So half A plus A dash P equal to this. Okay. So it can be solved. We know Ka since Ka dash is equals to Ka dash. So we can write half constant. So A plus A dash dash. This is equals to half A dash plus A dash dash. Since A plus dash equals to A dash plus B dash. Also since A dash dash equals to A. So we can write half of A dash plus A, and this is equals to A plus A dash, since A plus B equals to B plus A. Logically we have to proceed. Then P dash equals to P is equals to what? This. P dash equals to, just we get again P. So this is implies P dash equals to P. So implies P is symmetric. P is symmetric. P is symmetric. Okay. Similarly, we can show that Q dash equals to minus Q, that is Q is antisymmetric. Similarly, we see that Q dash equals to here as a similar process. Just you can write like this. Okay, Q dash equals to Q, here minus sign, so just put here and dash. K matrix, half constant outside, A minus A dash dash dash, and plus minus, for both plus minus we can use it. A dash minus A dash dash, or minus A dash dash equal to dash, so this is A, and just take minus outside, then A minus A dash we can get. Same, half A minus A dash, this is Q, minus Q, Q dash equal to minus Q. So Q is skew symmetric. Okay, Q is skew symmetric. So just similar process for this also. Okay. Clear? Just we have proved that P and Q both are P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. So our result is proved because A equals to P plus Q, we see. So sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric is A. Generally just we have proved it. Okay, very important theorem. So remember it, and it may be asked in the question that for find this symmetric and skew symmetric matrix for a given matrix. So how can we find? Just combine it as P and Q. If you combine just like P, that is A plus A dash by 2, then that will be symmetric, and A minus A dash by 2, that will be skew symmetric for any square matrix. Okay, it can be proved by using any particular matrix. So here The exercise 3.3, we will solve questions from exercise 3.3 one by one. So very simple questions are there. Okay. 3.3. The solution 1. Just we have to find what? Find the transpose of each of the following matrix. There are 3 matrices and just you have to find transpose. So very simple questions. First question. A equals to, let A equals to, given matrix is what? 5 1 by 2 minus 1. 5 1 by 2 minus 1. This is 3 by 1 matrix. Then A dash equals to what? Just a row contain one element 5. So make it column. First column. Second element half. So make it column. Like this. Clear? This is column matrix, transpose is row matrix. Similarly, second, what? A equals to, if A equals to what? Given 1 minus 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Then A dash will be what? Just transpose it. Row to column. So the 1 minus 1, 2, 3. This. Third number. Third number is what? Third number is given minus 1, 5, 6. Minus 1, 5, 6 and root 3, 5, 6. Root 3, 5, 6 and 2, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1. Then transpose. A dash. Transpose will be what? This row go to the column. This row go to the column. That is what? Minus 1, 5, 6. Root 3, 5, 6. And this 2, 3 minus 1. Just we are transferring what? Row to column. These are the transpose. So very simple. Question second. Just you can see question second. In the question second, what is given? If A equal to this, B equal to this, then verify. For verifying, very simple process. Just you have to find all the transposed matrix and with original matrix just find left hand side and right hand side. You can see both are same. So here, first of all, question 2. If A equals to what given? A equals to minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is given A and minus 2, 1, 1. Minus 2, 1, 1. This. Okay. And also B equals to B. B equals to also given minus 4, 1, 5. Minus 4, 1, 5. 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. Here minus 5 is given. And also 1, 2, 0. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. This is given. Two matrices are given. Then A dash equals to what? Just first find. We have to prove, verify relation. But AB is this. Then what will be the A dash, B dash? Just write. Row to column. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Minus 2, 1, 1. This. And B dash will be what? Just transpose. Just row to column. Minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. This. Okay, if A equal to this, B equal to this, then A dash equal to this, B dash equal to this. Now to verify. Now, verify the given relation in the question. Just find left hand side. For left hand side, what is left hand side? A plus B dash. also. Left hand side a plus b dash and right hand side a dash plus b dash. Just we have to prove this rule. Na? What? A plus b dash equals to a dash plus b dash. So left hand side, for finding left hand side, first we have to find a plus b and then we take transpose of that. So here we can write also we have sum of these two matrices A and B. So sum of these two matrices, just write one by one and sum of these two matrices. Okay. So what? Minus 1 to 3, minus 1 to minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 1 to minus 2 1 1 here minus 1 4 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1 just sum of this. Okay, so sum is corresponding elements are summed. Okay, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 2 1 3 3 minus 5 here addition, so minus 2 5 1 5 1 6 7 to 9 0 9 9 minus 2 1 minus 1 1 3 4 1 1 2. This is sum. Okay, implies a plus b dash now we have left hand side, because left hand side is a plus b dash. So a plus b dash means its dash. Minus 5, 3, minus 2, 6, 9, 9, minus 1, 4, 2 and dash is equals to, just find transpose of this. So what? Row to column. So minus 5, 3, minus 2, minus 5, 3, minus 2, 6, 9, 9, 6, 9, 9. Just row, convert row to column. Minus 1, 4, 2, minus 1, 4, 2, minus 1. So this is left hand side. Also, and right hand side is equals to what? A dash plus B dash. A dash plus B dash. A dash is this, B dash is this. So A dash plus B dash. A dash minus 1 5 minus 2 minus 1 5 minus 2 271 271 391 391. Here minus 1 4 4 minus 4 1 1, sorry, 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 5 0 1. Just sum of this. Okay, so minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 5 1 6 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 1 3 7 2 9 1 and 3 4 3 minus 5 minus 2 9 9 minus 1 1 2. Okay, 2 9 minus 2 4 9 3 4 9 3 2 9 minus 2 minus 1 6 minus 5 minus 1 6 minus 5. Both are same. So this, thus we get left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Hence verified. Hence verified. Similarly, you can prove next. A minus B dash equals to A plus B dash. For proof second part. This is first part. Okay, this is first part. Second part you can prove. What we have to take? Here minus sign, here minus sign. Okay, so here minus, then just subtract it. Here I am taking minus sign, and here minus plus sign, just minus sign, the result should be transposed taking minus sign. And here also just subtract a dash minus b dash. Then you can see that both are equal. Okay. So just for second part, we can try whether it is right or not. Okay. See, if we take minus sign, then here minus sign, then elements will be changed for second part. For second part. Clear? Just minus. Minus 1, minus minus plus 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 5 plus 5, 8. 5 minus 1, 4. Just minus, subtract now. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 1 minus minus 1, 0. This is subtraction. Now here, just we will get okay, just taking minus. Okay, now take this matrix, transpose of this matrix. 3, 1, 8, 3, 1, 8. 1, 8. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. Minus 3, minus 2, 0. Just a minus b, taking a minus b and dash. Okay, transpose it. 3, 1, 8. Make column 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, column, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, 0. Okay? And just take subtraction, a dash minus b dash. Okay? A dash minus b dash. So, a dash minus b dash, that is here minus sign. This is a dash, this is b dash, just taking. So, minus 1, minus, minus 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 1, 4. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. 2 minus minus 1, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay? 1 minus 3, minus 2. 3 minus minus plus 5, 5, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So these two are same. Just we see, these two are same. This and this are same. So you can write like this, verified. Okay. So very simple process for solving questions one by one. You can solve it. Now take question 3. For question 3, here it is given that I think A dash and A dash and B is given, and we have to verify same result. Okay. Here A dash is given and B is given, not A is given. So very simple. If A dash is given, then we can find A using transpose of matrix is itself. Okay. So our verification for same result. A plus same verification. Question third. First, given A dash equals to, given A dash equals to 3 minus 1 0, 3 minus 1 0 and 4 2 1, 4 2 1. This matrix is given 2 by 3 by 2 matrix. A dash given and also B is given. B is given minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1 and 1 to 3, 1 to 3. These two are given and we have to verify it. Just first result, A plus B dash equals to A dash plus B dash, and second, A minus B dash equals to A dash minus B dash. We have to verify that this. Okay, so here A is not given. A, we have or with no, we can write we know that A is equals to A dash dash by using transpose, properties of transpose. So A dash is given this 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 this. So A can A dash this of dash, take transpose 3 4 minus 1 2 0. Okay, so this is A or that is B and this is 2 by 3, this is 2 by 3. So we can add and subtract. Now we have A plus B. For proving first A plus B, we require, so just write A 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1 plus B, just write B minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Just add these two. You can write, just write corresponding one 3 1 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 1 0 1 1 4 1 5 2 2 4 1 3 4. This is the addition. This is the addition. Therefore, left hand side A plus B dash, its dash, that is what? 2 1 1 5 4 4 dash, dash row to the column. So 2 1 1 5 4 4. This is A plus B dash, left hand side. Now right hand side and right hand side is equals to what? A dash plus B dash. Now A dash is this given 3 minus 1 0, 3 minus 1 0 and 4 2 1, 4 2 1 and B dash B, just you can find B dash what? B dash can be written by transposing, by interchanging row and column. So row, go to the column, minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. So this is the transpose of B. Then add it. Okay. So what will be the value? 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 4. So this is A plus A dash plus B dash. So we can see 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4, 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. Both are same. Thus, we get A plus B dash equals to A dash plus B dash. Left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Hence verified. Hence verified. Okay. The second also can be proved by same process, taking minus sign in place of plus. Okay. Second also can be proved. Just take here minus sign. Just take here minus sign. And we can get different matrix here. Okay. This. Minus sign. This minus this. So 3 minus minus plus 1, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 0, minus 1, minus 1. 4, minus 1, minus 3. 3. 2, minus 2, 0. 1, minus 3, minus 2. We will get this. Now, just take its transpose. That is 4, minus 3, minus 1, 3, 0, minus 2. So 4 minus 3 minus 1. 4 minus 3 minus 1. 3 0 minus 2. 3 0 minus 2. Clear? Now, right hand side, minus sign, A dash, and B dash is this B dash. Just take minus sign. Then see 3 minus minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 3, minus 2. So both are same. Both are same. So just we get like this. Hence verified. So just you have to write a step in details for proving the result. Okay. So up to the question third, we have completed now from exercise 3.3, and also the idea of what is symmetric matrix, what is isosymmetric matrix, and transpose, what is transpose and what are the properties of transpose. And you can prove this by taking a general matrix. Okay, symmetric or isosymmetric, the square matrix, and for transpose properties, just you can take any order matrix. Okay, so solve all the examples and up to this questions, 3 questions in your copy, and send me 2-3 questions, solution of 2-3 questions for your attendance. Okay.